scalp detox steps, take 5 mark.
Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. Too fast. Today I'm going to walk you through our essential system consisting of hair cleanse and hair conditioner. And it really is where scalp and hair wellness begins. Think about getting back to that natural texture, that natural state of hair, balancing your scalp from root to end. Time to cleanse. I really do love this ritual of wash day. Our cold processed hair cleanse removes residue. It balances natural hair oil without causing any irritation. So it's very gentle on the scalp. We're going to take 1 to 2 pumps. After wetting and saturating your hair with water, take some water from the shower. And you're going to emulsify the cleanse like this in your hands until you get this lovely creamy lather. Now you're going to start at the back. Very different approach, and the reason why is because usually we miss this whole area and that can cause scalp irritations. You're going to go in here and massage gently into the nape of the neck. You're going to work your way up to the crown area like so. And I'm going to add 1 to 2 more pumps. Now in at the top. You can really see I'm just focusing on the scalp here. Massage in here, the temples, right underneath. Add that water to spread it evenly and really create that beautiful creamy texture. Now you're going to rinse it out, and as you rinse out, the beautiful creamy foam will rinse out through the hair, picking up any dirt or pollution and washing the ends. Just focus on the scalp, and I promise you, your hair and your scalp will feel the best it's ever felt. After cleansing, follow with hair conditioner to help close the cuticle and comb out the hair. This co-processed conditioner is lightweight, provides hydration and helps detangle the hair. I've split my hair to make it easier. So we're going to do 1, 2 pumps on each side. Now after taking the excess water out of your hair, you're going to apply through mid-length. And now the other side. Now you can see I can comb this out with my fingers. If you have a comb in the shower like our bamboo comb, you can use that. That helps spread the conditioner throughout the hair as well. Perfect. So once it's all in, you're going to leave that for 1 to 2 minutes and then you're going to rinse. This is the finished look. My hair feels hydrated. I've got so much volume in my roots, the shine. My scalp feels so hydrated. It feels so clean, and my hair actually feels like super lightweight. I can get my fingers through it. It just feels amazing.